When a lot of folks think about financial literacy, they think about investing money, saving money, optimizing interest rates, paying down debt. And that, of course, is all part of financial literacy. But maybe the most important thing when you think about your financial well being is what you do for a living and how much money you can bring in. And obviously, a huge input into that is careers and education. And that's why, teachers, this is a very important unit for your students. So, we first talk about why education is an investment in their human capital. And for some of your students, they might already feel this way, but some of the other students might not see the connection to the education and the things that they're learning in the classroom on a day-to-day basis and where they might end up in 5, 10, 20 years financially. So hopefully this connects some of those dots. Then we think about college and beyond college education, or even instead of college education. But we have some very real talk about the costs of college, the debt, the opportunity costs of going college, and not taking a bias one way or the other, but making sure that students are well informed. And then we also talk about that for other forms of education and training. We even have a little bit of, I guess you could say, lightweight college counseling with the financial lens going on in this lesson here on choosing where to go. And then, of course, we talk in depth on actually paying for education, both post-secondary education, well, all forms of education, which it can be very valuable, but it's gotten a lot of students into a lot of trouble over the years, as we all know. So teachers, if you can, try to watch the videos, read the articles, do the exercises. Hopefully you'll learn a thing or two. I learned a thing or two when I actually made some of this content. And it'll give you a lot of context as your students also go through it, and it'll put you in a position to support them. And as I say always, try to bring a little bit of your own story to it. Anything that you can share without oversharing, I think will just make it a lot more real for your students.